Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. We're going to demonstrate on 2012 model specifically, guys, and the fuse box will be under the hood, the one that you will need, guys. Okay, and we're demonstrating on that generation F-150. So we want to show you guys quickly where that fuse is located and what to expect. Now, before we start, let me just explain why it's super important to test fuses, guys, so you don't spend thousands of dollars on problems that do not exist. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So which fuse, guys, we need to check? This one will be the fuse box under the hood. So you can see this row right here is the rows with the relays. You need to come underneath it. That's the row right here. And the engine starter fuse, okay, will be, guys, if you come in that row, will be 1, 2, 3. This is known as fuse 13. F13, guys. That 30 amp fuse will be the one for the engine starter. If Ford F-150 does not start, we'll be making another video soon what else could be causing that, so please subscribe to our channel. We'll have very helpful information. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.